Mom, your cake smells so good.
Thank you, Emma. It is for tonight.
Wow, chocolate cake!
Please don't touch it. It is for Grandma.
Don't worry.
I am going to the store.
Bye, Mom.
Bye! It looks delicious.
Dad, don't.
Just a small piece. Very good.
Mom will know.
No, she won't.
Dad, the cake is half gone.
Oh, no.
What happened?
I think I ate it all.
Oh, Dad.
I will fix it.
How?
I will bake a new cake.
That is a lot.
Sweet is good. Oops.
I will clean it.
Thanks, Emma.
Dad, the kitchen!
It's okay. Perfect.
I feel nervous.
Me too.
I smell something strange.
What smell?
It's coming from over there.
I don't smell anything.
But it's so strong. Dad!
Oh no. It's completely burnt.
Oh no, Dad, what happened?
I must have set the timer wrong. I burned it.
Now what?
Ow!
Mom will be very angry.
You should tell the truth.
I made a big mistake.
It's okay, Dad.
I am home.
Oh no.
What happened here? There's flour everywhere, and the cake is burned. David?
I am sorry. I ate the cake.
You what?
Dad tried to make a new one.
But I burned it.
Oh, David.
I am really sorry.
He worked very hard.
Did you help?
Yes.
I am upset, but thank you for telling the truth.
You are not angry?
I am a little angry, but I am happy you tried.
I will clean everything.
I will help.
All right, let's clean this floor.
I'll wipe the table, and I'll wash the dishes.
Great job, sweetie.
This is fun.
We're a great team.
The kitchen looks better.
Yes, it does.
You helped a lot.
I did.
We still need a cake.
I have an idea. Let's buy ice cream.
That's smart.
ice cream party! This is better than cake.
Really?
Yes, it really is.
Yummy!
Next time, ask before eating.
I promise.
No more secret cake.
Thank you for forgiving me.
Family is more important than cake.
I love our family.
Me too.
Me too.
Mistakes happen, but love makes everything better. I need vegetables.
We are here. Can I get chocolate? Wow, it's big! So many things!
Stay close to us.
Hold the cart.
Don't run.
Okay.
Okay. Look at the toys! I want to see.
First groceries.
Milk, bread, eggs.
And rice.
I'm bored. Candy? Let's go see. Just for a second.
Where is Leo? Leo?
Mia,
Oh no. Where did they go?
stay calm. Let's look around.
So many candies! Wow! Let's choose one. Where is Mom? Dad? I can't see them. I feel scared. Me too.
Leo!
Mia!
Leo!
Mia!
Leo!
Mia!
What do we do? Mom said stay calm. Yes. Remember, stay where you are. And find a staff. Yes. Excuse me.
Yes?
We are lost.
Don't worry.
We can't find our parents.
I will help. Attention, please. 2 children are waiting. Parents, please come. Attention shoppers, we have 2 lost children at the service desk.
That's them!
Let's go fast.
Hurry!
I feel better. Help is coming.
Good job staying calm.
Ryan, hurry!
I'm coming.
I hope they're okay.
Stay calm, Emma.
I'm trying.
We will find them.
I feel better now. The worker is nice.
Your parents are coming. You were very brave.
Thank you. We stayed together. Leo! Mud! I was scared.
I'm so sorry.
We're here now.
I thought we lost you. Never.
We always find you.
Why did you walk away?
We saw Candy. We just wanted to look.
You must stay close.
I know. I'm sorry.
They did the right thing.
Yes, they asked for help.
That was smart.
If you are lost, what do you do?
Stay where we are. Find a worker.
Very good.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you. I don't want to be lost again. Me neither.
We will stay together.
From now on, hold hands.
Yes, Dad. I promise.
Thank you so much.
It's my job. We appreciate you. Have a safe day.
Thank you. Bye.
Let's finish shopping.
Together.
Together! Together! I will help push. Me too.
That's great.
We learned something today.
Safety first.
Always stay close.
We are a team.
Yes, always.
We love our family.
Everyone stay close.
I'm holding the cart. I won't run.
Let's see, what else?
We still need milk and some fruit.
I can help choose apples.
Perfect.
This one looks red.
It's shiny.
Good choice.
See? Shopping is fun together.
Yes, much better.
I feel safe now. There is the candy. I remember.
What do we do?
Milk is done.
Bread next.
Over there, on the top shelf.
Thank you.
Teamwork feels good.
We help each other.
We stay together.
Yay, teamwork!
Hello? Hello.
We found everything. Thank you for helping today.
You're welcome.
I feel proud.
That'll be $45. Here you go.
Yay, all set.
Payment approved.
Have a good day.
You too. I'm happy again.
Me too. I'm glad.
What did we learn today?
Stay calm.
Ask for help.
Thank you for watching.
Stay safe.
Bye!